opened that Section 32 is generally used to confer power upon courts and hence it cannot be used. Therefore, he also opened that SCT is fully competent to inquire into the matter. The term of reference of SCT were as follows. The SCT will check the actual availability of stocks in all the warehouse godowns that was sealed by the Excise Department during the last 2 years for any violation. In other words, the SCT will check whether the stock of liquor which was there on the date of selling is actually available or not. SET will also examine the cases of seizure of illicit non-excise duty paid liquor in Haryana of the period April 1, 2019 to March 31, 2020, both by the Police and Excise Department separately with special reference to the action taken and fines imposed by the Excise Department pursuant to the recovery of the liquor. SET will also collect and collate the result of the investigation of the FIRs registered from 15 March 2020 to 10 May that have been registered in different parts of the state for pilferage of liquor from L1 and L13 godowns and also from the malkhanas of the police stations. The SET was to submit its report by 31 May 2020 positively. The SET was given mandate to examine the incidents of liquor theft across the entire state for the period 1 April 2019 to 31 March 2020. This inquiry was not limited to lockdown period only. 2.323 SET will also collect and collate the result of the investigation of the FIRs registered from 15 March to 10 May that have been registered in different parts of the state for pilferage of liquor from L1, L13 godowns and also from the malkhanas of the police station. Shri Muhammad Aqil, IPS ADGP Headquarters and Commandant of Police Gurgaon was appointed as member of the SCT subsequent to superannuation of Shri Subhash Yadav, IPS, through an order of the state government dated 30/5/2020. Further, the Governor of Haryana later extended the term of special inquiry team by a further period of 2 months, 31/5/2020. The SET submitted its report on 30 July 2020. Some important findings of SCT are: the Special Inquiry Team, SCT, concluded that smuggling of liquor from neighboring states, especially Punjab, through Haryana and illegal sale of liquor has taken place during the lockdown period because of the systematic flaw in the functioning of the Excise Department and also for non-implementation of its own instructions, lack of monitoring, and in some cases, negligence on the part of some excise officials and police officials. From the statement of various officers of Excise Department and the Police Department, the SCT found possibility of lapses on some officers. On the receipt of the SCT, I wrote a note proposing following actions: inquiries and disciplinary proceedings against the officers concerned, thorough inquiry and disciplinary action against the Pratiksha Gudara, IPS, the then Superintendent of Police, thorough inquiry and disciplinary action against Shri Shekhar Vidyarthi, IS Excise and Taxation Commissioner, Haryana, departmental inquiries against other officials of Excise Department and Police Department as per the observation made in the SCT, lodging of FIR by State Vigilance Bureau and thorough inquiry. On my recommendation and approval of Honorable Chief Minister, explanation of Mrs. Pratiksha Gudara, IPS, and Shri Shekhar Vidyarthi was sought through through their administrative department. The set has not given exact figures of loss to the government exchequer and quantum of smuggled theft liquor. After considering the above report, it was decided by the state government that the whole matter be got probed by the State Vigilance Bureau. Accordingly, wide letter number 2064-2020-35 I dated 25/8/2020, the Chief Secretary to Government Haryana Department of Personnel directed the Vigilance Department to get the above mentioned issue probed by the State Vigilance Bureau. In order to examine the report of the SAT vis-a-vis action by police, a committee order under the chairmanship of Shrimati Kala Ramchandran, ADGP headquarters, was constituted by DGP Haryana on dated 18/9/2020 to go through various specific instances wherein the set has mentioned any lapses on the part of police department in tracing the origin of the liquor by the police and any other shortcomings. In each such case, the responsibility for the failure of investigation officers in tracking the origin source of liquor shall be fixed, and was expected to submit its report by 3rd October 2020. The report is still awaited. After receipt of report of State Vigilance Bureau and the committee, further action in the matter will be taken. I assure this House that no guilty would be spared. Regarding the quantum of liquor recovery from various distilleries and other information demanded by Shrimati Kiran Chaudhary, Honorable MLA, is still being firmed up by the investigating agencies as the reports are still awaited. As two departments are involved in the entire issue, separate investigation inquiries are being conducted and appropriate coordination is ensured. Based on further investigation, actions are being initiated. For example, the accused Ashok Jain, owner of an distillery, was arrested in case FIR number 671 dated 13/10/19 under section 420, 467, 468, 471, 1208 IPC and Excise Act Police Station Smalka on 19/10/2020, and he was taken on 5 days remand. He was produced in the concerned court on 24 May 2020 and later was sent to judicial custody.
अबे जी
स्पीकर सर, जो भी होम मिनिस्टर